Hi everyone, for today's tutorial I'll be taking you in depth about skin prep and prime in order to achieve a beautiful makeup look. To begin with, you're going to make sure that your skin is clean and you've washed your face. You can use any face wash or cleanser or just use some type of wet wipes. Just make sure that your skin is clean. You are going to notice that this way your makeup lays on a lot smoother. Prepping and hydrating your skin well before makeup is going to determine how the other products that you put on top are going to lay. If you don't give any importance to the priming part before doing your makeup, you're going to notice your makeup is not going to last very long and the products that you put on top are going to go on very roughly and not going to sit beautifully on your skin. For beginners, you don't have to go out and spend a lot of money on expensive primers or any other products. You can just use anything that you have at home that you use on a daily basis. For example, moisturizers, serums, or sunscreens, and that's going to work great as well. I always suggest to go in with some type of moisturizer before going in with any other priming products. I really love the Dot & Key Probiotics 72-hour hydrating gel. It works very great and it soaks into your skin immediately when you put it on and going to make your makeup last very long, and as long as you're hydrating your skin really well before going in with any makeup is very important. Some more amazing moisturizers that I recommend and I really love are the Nivea Soft Light Moisturizer. It's very thick and rich and I like using that more for winters. But this gel one works very good for summertime, and you can use anything that you have or anything you love. I'm just going to blend this into my skin and feels very nourishing and hydrating. Another very important tip is to let your moisturizer sink into your skin, otherwise you might start noticing your makeup separating and looking very patchy. Also, you can go in with a serum before going in with a moisturizer. I love the Plum Rice Water and Niacinamide Serum. It's really thick and nourishes the skin really well. You don't only have to use a moisturizer. You can use just a serum and then follow it up with a primer. For primer, I'll be using another hydrating product. I cannot emphasize enough how important it is to hydrate your skin well. I love this product, as you can clearly see. It's the Wet n Wild Prime Focus Primer Serum. It's very hydrating and I do have more recommendations and hydrating primers that you can go in with. I also like the Makeup Revolution H2O Hydrate Primer. I peeled off the sticker, so this is what it looks like. But again, if you're a beginner, you can just stop with the moisturizer or some type of sunscreen would also work. I love the Dot & Key sunscreens or just a serum. You don't have to go in with a primer. I also a lot of times just stop with a moisturizer or serum. I do not see enough beauty gurus emphasizing how important it is to prime your under eyes. It is an extra step and you can totally skip it, but I have noticed a huge difference. When I was not using this, my concealer would not look as flawless as it does when I use this. So this is the L'Oreal Revitalift Under Eye Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Again, you can absolutely skip it, but you are going to notice a huge difference if you do this. I'm just going to tap it onto my under eyes with my ring finger because it's the most gentle finger. And again, you have to be very gentle around your eyes, even when you're doing a skincare or you're putting on your eye cream. Just be very gentle around your eye area because this area is so thin and sensitive. You can also just drag your moisturizer underneath your eyes. That's gonna work fine as well. Also, you have to wait after your primer has sinked into your skin, then you're gonna go in with your under eye serum. Now I'm putting on some lip balm. Try to hydrate every part of your face. It's very crucial. In the end, when you're done with your makeup, the lip balm will have soaked into your lips and it's going to make your lip last a lot longer. So now the skin prep is done. This is the best skin prep and you're going to thank me later.